Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the cannot connect to the App Store error on your iPhone or iPad. Alright, let's begin. First, refresh your network connection. Open the control center, turn on airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Next, open Settings, General, Date and Time, and make sure the date, time, and time zone are correct. It's best to keep set automatically enabled so your device stays synchronized. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and try opening the App Store again. A VPN can sometimes interfere with Apple's services. You should also sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, select Sign Out, then sign back in. This refreshes your Apple account connection. Next, check whether Apple's servers are working. Search for Apple System Status and confirm that the App Store service is marked as available. If it's unavailable, you'll need to wait until Apple resolves the issue. If the problem persists, perform a forced restart by quickly pressing volume up, then volume down, and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Finally, reset your network settings under Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings, then check for any available iOS or iPadOS updates. So that's basically how you can fix the cannot connect to the App Store error on your iPhone or iPad. That's it for this video. Thanks!